Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Zuru Metal Machines Rev Rod pickup, a 1/64 scale die-cast truck built for speed and power. With its bold, futuristic design, oversized wheels, and aggressive stance, this truck is ready to dominate any race or stunt track. Up front, the low-profile grille and aerodynamic hood give it a high-performance look, while the exposed engine details and side-exit exhaust pipes hint at serious power. The lifted rear suspension and reinforced bumper add to its tough off-road ready appeal. Designed for action, this pickup is built to handle high-speed stunts, tight turns, and intense competition. With its detailed design and high-speed capabilities, the Rev Rod pickup is a must-have for Metal Machines fans and die-cast collectors. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more die-cast reviews. Stay tuned for more awesome model car showcases